In this video, I'm going to explain how menus work within FastFunnels. So right now, I'm on a website. I've chosen a template and here I am. So up the top here is your menu. You can see it right there where it says edit menu. And then with this, you've also got your header. So in websites, you have a header and you have a footer. There's the footer down there. You can see it. And incidentally, you can, if you want to, on any particular page, you can hide the footer and you can also even hide the header if you wish to. And then if you go ahead and preview the page now, you'll see what I mean, it's just gone. So it's quite useful if you just wanted to remove that header and footer for any particular page on your website. Maybe if you've got a form or something on there and you just wanted them to focus on that one thing, you can do that. But I'm just going to show it right now because we want to talk about menus. So here's the menu. We can adjust the styling of the menu again with that paintbrush that we've used throughout other training videos to style things. And we've got lots of different options. We can have a horizontal menu. We can have a vertical menu, which will end up coming down like the left side like this if you drag it over there. And then a burger menu, which we often see on mobile websites. But if you pick like a horizontal one like this, then you're going to see that when it goes down to a mobile view, if we just save this now, it will automatically change to a burger menu anyway. So that's usually the best option for a menu on a website, is to have it like this. So there's your styling. We can also change the text color if we want to, the background color of the menu, and I'll do that now so you can see what's happening there. But we're going to go with the normal, actually we can go right down to here and there'll be no color. And then of course it will use the color of the background of this whole header. You can choose your fonts. Remember, if the font that you would like to use is not here, you can go to styling and then add in the font as one of your available fonts to use. So I'm just going to pick Verdana here just to change it up a little bit. We can change our font size. Literally from tiny, but you probably want it around that sort of size right there. And we can also alter the spacing between each navigational item. That's really useful if you've got quite a few different things in your menu and you need more space. We can instantly make everything be uppercase if you've typed in it as like that in proper case, which is where the first letter is large. And then we can change our settings when somebody holds their mouse over the link, the hover settings, and then the sub menu. And this is used, in a moment I'll show you how you can build your navigation, but this is used for other links that come down from these. The sub menu settings right there. So let's now go in and show you how you edit the menu and add new pages to the menu. It's very, very easy. For a start, any ones that you see there already can be moved. So if we want to, we just hold our mouse over these little dots and we can shuffle them around like this. We can move them, change the order of them, and any little sub page there, we can drag and choose to have it underneath another one. So if I want to move this detailed servicing page underneath pricing, that will now appear there. We can click save, go and preview that. And now if we hold our mouse, you can see underneath pricing, sure enough, there it is, service detailed page. So that's a sub menu item. Adding new pages is a breeze. Literally just click add menu item, go and pick the page or store page, file, anything that you want from your website there. Let's go and pick another page. I'm just going to pick this one here to contact us. Click select, and then there it is now. That's appeared there. You can change what is written to be new. Let's just change that as contact new so that you can see how that works. Up there it is, contact new. That's just changed what it comes up as in the navigation, regardless of the page name or anything else. If you want to add a other menu to this, you can add, if you want to add a big menu, this is called a mega menu. So first of all, you can do it this way, where you're just taking an item and putting it underneath, and we can carry on doing that. But we can only go one layer deep here. So one layer of your sub menu. But if you want to go and add a really big menu with lots of different items, you can do it this way. we can add what's called a mega menu. Then if you click edit, you get this full column come up like this, and that allows you to add way more content. So as you can see, we've got all these links just here, and even a picture if you wanted to, whatever you want in your mega menu. But I'll save it like this for now, just so that you can see what it looks like when we go and use the site. So let's now preview that. And then there it is. There's your mega menu versus this little kind of sub menu here. You can have a full mega menu. You'll often see e-commerce stores using this design because they need lots and lots of categories. Then to edit those particular categories in the mega menu, very simple. There it is. Now you can just go and link any one of these text links or create new ones as well. You can add any words you would like. Click on here where it says link and then go and find the page that you would like again. So if we wanted this one here to link to yoga for newbies, there we are. We just click select and then come out of there, and that's it. It's as simple as that to go and create a new link for your mega menu. If you don't want an image, you can just delete the image off. And then as usual, you can use these widgets and drag them over there like that. So if I do want an image, I can just drag the image over like that and then go and upload a new one. So it's all very user-friendly and simple to operate there. Just click confirm. So that is how you do a menu and you edit the header here on a website. Now, if you want to create a website type experience on a funnel, you won't have the option quite the same as this. You won't have a header all built in or a footer on a funnel because we don't really use headers and footers on a funnel. But that's absolutely fine. You can do it in a manual way. So let's just go to this funnel right here. Here we are. And let's say that we want to go and add in some kind of a header. So let's just add in menu right here, or sorry, empty block. There's our empty block. We'll move it up to the top. And now we can drag over the menu widget right here, which is just there. Drag it over like so. And then we can start adding the funnel steps that we would like to appear in the menu. And you can see it's just appeared there. Obviously the color scheme and everything is shocking. So I'll just quickly change that for you now. Let's increase the size. Let's put the font like that. And then let's make the text white just to really show this up. There you go. And there's our first menu item like so. Now, usually within a funnel, you're not going to want to give them this, but just in case you're trying to build sort of like a mini site or even a one-page site in a funnel, we've given you this ability to create a menu. Now I can go and add another item in the usual method. Let's just say I want to pick this different one here. Let's go for that, service page number 3. And there it is. It's just appeared in the navigation. And we'll cross that off and save the page. And there we are. Now, sometimes in a funnel, what you'll want to do is to link to a particular part of the page. And this is called an anchor. So you can name any particular area on your website in the block section. So let's say we want to name this one as an anchor. You'll see there it says add an anchor point. Well, I'm just going to call it section. There we are. And now I can link to that section from the navigation if I want to too. So we'll go into here, we'll edit this service page, and you can see we've got anchor point there, and then we can go ahead and pick the anchor point that we want to use. Alternatively, you can also do it this way and just put in a hash and then the name of the anchor. Click select, and then that will be it done. Let's just put in something there. There we go. So now, if we preview that and we go and click on that particular link, it just scrolls right down to the perfect section that you would like on your site. And as I say, you'll see this quite often where you have a one-page website, and this is a really good way to be able to use a funnel for like a mini site, which will be really, really useful because you get an awful lot of funnels in your account. If you don't want to use all your website allowance, then this is a good way to kind of create a mini website but doing it with a funnel. So there we are. That pretty much concludes the lesson here on menus. You can also see what it looks like in a phone view. Obviously, we want to be using the burger style menu on a phone because that just makes it much better for space. There we are. But it will automatically just shrink down. They pick what they would like, click on it, and again, it works just the same. So great system, really easy to use, and it just gives you an enormous amount of flexibility to create menus wherever you would like.